throughout the course of the season. Opening tip is underway, and we have the Toronto Raptors with the opening possession. Chris Miller, Drew Good, and Megan McPeak with you here on Monumental Sports Network and on NBA TV. See Grady Dick nearly turns the basketball over. Jakob Poeltl over to Scotty Barnes, making his preseason debut and makes his first shot.
Allowing him to switch off on Barnes like that.
Last game Scotty Barnes played was back on March the 1st of last season. Kyle Kuzma getting into the lane and going off glass, scoring. He is with some ball pressure. Jamal Shead. Here's Bruno Fernando using his left hand, scoring for Toronto.
And that's next up right there when Sarr has it.
Here's what I want to see in tonight's game. We saw Jamal Shead really lock into Bub Carrington in that first preseason game. Now they're guarding one another. And there's going to be a block by Abaji. Over to Bub. Feed over to Koulibaly that touches nothing but the net.
When that money kicked in, he started talking again.
And here's a turnover. Carton throwing it upstairs. Boucher. Shead going left. Nice bounce pass, pocket pass there to Fernando. Misses. Boucher doesn't. He'll have an opportunity to go to the line to cash out a three-point play. He's going to launch a couple threes during the game, so just get used to it.
Hey, listen, I've seen him do that against us, and he's made them. So you heard he has to adjust to this game.
Here he is now trying to work on Bruno. The fall away counted.
And that's his go-to. You saw that last game.
Shead guarding Bub. Bub tried to pocket pass it to JB. Here's Jamias Ramsey, the layup.
Active body.
Toronto now with their largest lead of the game, 11. George, blocked by Bruno. Megan, he's close to the crib, which means you know friends and family will be in the building all season long.
No question, and Bub on Media Day was asked about playing at home, but as well too, just what he wants to prove if he has any goals this season. And he said,
I'll pay you back on the first.
Great point there, Megan, about just learning how to say a simple word. Here's Alex Sarr, corner three, count it.
That right there is putting the stamp on that it wasn't.
And how about that shot there by Boucher? There's a Scotia under 10 points per game in the first two preseason games. Mitchell going left, scoring off glass.
Man, Mitchell, he has a lot to prove in Sacramento, but really didn't find a consistent diet of playing time, and he's having an opportunity now with the Raptors as he finds Boucher on the roll.
Who's got Barnes off his feet, moving without the basketball. Pass over to Bub, laces a three.
Getting a little reluctant to shoot that shot right there. I'm talking about veterans. This is a rookie right here playing in his third preseason game. It didn't matter to him. He launched it with confidence. I love it.
Grady Dick not afraid to shoot a three in the corner.
If you don't switch that and get below Boucher, this will be a dunk every time.
Raptors now up 12, make it 10. Kuzma scored the first 7 points for Washington in this game, and now using his veteran presence, kind of getting an early look at the basket. We told you they're #1 in pace last year. Here's Sarr, another three, good. I like it.
Basket is getting bigger and bigger for Alex Sarr.
Wow, hit it off the backboard right over to Kuz. Here's Keyshawn George, three's good.
That was pretty. That was pretty. Not just being a guy to play defense as he's playing this possession on Grady Dick, but he can knock down that three as well.
60 seconds to go in the second. Kuz, step back, three. Oh, hey, now starting to get into a rhythm now. Wizards can hold for the final shot. Palau, the layup is good. Wizards take their first lead of the game. You see Sarr misses that. The theory is they're going to be able to wear teams out because they can't run with the Wizards. But as you said, you got to be able to play defense.
You might want to save some of those timeouts. But right now, that is a teaching aspect, and I love what Brian Keefe is doing with that.
Tough layup there by Kyle Kuzma as Toronto scored the first.
And Carrington.
Potential core four be growing up right in front of our eyes. You see Jakob Poeltl, that reverse layup. Their paint points were almost 55 a game.
Yeah, I think what was no, oh, wow.
Nice block by Bilal.
that the Wizards been having trouble with.
But this will be a learning experience in the preseason of doing what you just said. Love Kispert using the left and scoring.
Last year, I remember we put him at the 5 one game, and he was setting picks, rolling to the basket, could nobody stop him. So this is a guy, this is not just a standstill jump shooter. He can do multiple things.
Getting your confidence up, especially with his skill set, he should be okay.
Yeah, and I'm getting tired of people.
There's a nice block shot there by Alex.
I'm getting tired of people critiquing these young players in Summer League. Critiquing these young players in Summer League. And thinking just because they have a bad Summer League game, they're going to have a bad NBA career. As Kyle Kuzma knocks down his second 3 out of 8 attempts.
Bilal getting some good minutes in that gold medal game, guarding the likes of Kevin Durant, LeBron James, and Jakob Poeltl scores. Looks like he got taller. There he is with a pass over to Corey Kispert as the shot clock expires.
It's amazing. Sometimes those are the easiest shots to make.
Season long, they are truly the best in the business.
Hey, and that's a bad brother right there. Number 8. That's all I'm going to say.
He's on track. 5-court Raptors lead. Coos swinging it over. Nice swing to Kispert. Corner 3, count it.
Corey Kispert right now.
Bring in Megan McPeak. Megan, he talked to me about staying more in condition. There might be more athletic guys to see Grady Dick for the 3. It helps him compete against those guys.
Yeah, and it's something that he said he put a lot of work into this summer, on top of also the strength and conditioning.
He's leading all scorers now off the bench with 22. Corner Coos. Haven't said that yet this preseason. Oh, nice head fake, pass fake there by Keyshawn George. George at the buzzer. How about that? Keyshawn George.
They get Dick the bite, and then him shooting. Wow, he just paused. That's gonna go viral.
Boom to the rim.
Wow,
nearly a slam. Bilal now guarding Boucher. Boucher leading scorer for Toronto with 22 off the bench. And there's a steal picked up by PBJ all alone.
Things as well, Chris, so doing a little bit of both, offensively and defensively, like what I'm seeing. But Corey Kispert, made the Rising Stars Challenge game, was a guy that you thought that Detroit Pistons could keep for future preferences.
Bilal with the crossover and slam. Nice drive there by Bilal. Fernando going off glass. Coaching staff is high on Bruno Fernando. Oh, what a circus shot by Jordan Poole. First, and PBJ, your 5 on the floor for the Wizards, is Ulrich Shamshay. Misses that slam attempt. Good ball movement. Leading to Butler in the corner. Count it.
Will raise.
Bub now coming off of that screen by JV. Bub keeping that dribble.
Easy. Communicating. Letting Valanciunas know he was behind him.
Bub started all 33 games last season. Nice cut to the basket.
IQ, high IQ. He's gonna go with Bub Carrington.
Okay. His floor game?
Everything. Just his whole poise. Just being comfortable on the court.
Preseason home game for Washington. They will improve to 1.